Alright, first of all, just want to vent here a little bit. Don't ever buy a car by looks. Just because it looks nice, it doesn't mean it's a nice car. First of all, I bought the car used. Previous owner had put a new transmission in it, so I assumed it'd be good to go for a while. Car itself has 35,600 miles on it. It's a 2016 Nissan Rogue and needs another transmission. Dealer is quoting me $8,200 for a new transmission installed. $12,000 is still owed on the vehicle, so I can't really trade it in. Dealer's offered me $3,000 if I trade it in. From the little research I've done, Nissan, the name Nissan, owns a company called Jatco, makes the worst transmissions in the world. On top of that, it's a CVT transmission. Just do some research before you buy a car. A, don't buy the name Nissan, because the company Nissan sold their name to a company called Renault back in year 2000. So any vehicle that says Nissan on the outside is truly a Renault vehicle with a Nissan badge on it. A few months ago, Nissan themselves says we would love to buy our company back and try to save the name for it completely tanks, but they don't have the money to try to save their name. Just trying to save you some money and some headache. A, don't buy a Nissan. B, don't buy a car with a Jatco transmission. Stay away from the CVT transmission. And don't buy a car on looks if it looks nice.